Is your heating system giving you problems again? Give us a call. We work on almost every heating system out there. Did you know that having your heating system maintained annually can improve your heating's efficiency up to 25%, saving you money on your heating costs? As part of our VIP membership, you will receive this yearly service for free. We will do a 19-point precision inspection on your heating system, replace all air filters, and back any repairs with lifetime part and labor warranty, so you know that it's done right the first time. Call or schedule an appointment today, and one of professional technicians will be out to solve your heating problems.